Oh, so I made it to this little spot out here I call it a waterfall. It's not really a waterfall, it's just where the water runs down out of the rivers, out of the mountains. Now this rock formation goes down underneath the road here. I'm gonna walk down there real quick, show you guys. It's pretty dope down there. I've been down there when there wasn't hardly any water running. You can actually walk through it, and there's like a tree on the other side that's got paint and like carvings and stuff all over it. I don't know if I can get to it today or not, but I'm gonna give it a go. Walk down there anyways and check it out. I'm way out in the middle of nowhere, so my Grom should be safe. I got the key on me. And since it's setting up the disc alarm and all that shit. Oh man, super pretty. Would you look at it? I'm actually going to be able to walk through this for the most part. God, look at this. I wish I could get the motorcycle right there. Oh yeah, I got this. Yeah, a lot less stuff on the tree than last time I was here, but this tree right here, little paintings. There was stuff all over it the last time I was here. That was over a year ago. That was like 2 years ago. Little things. But it had stuff all over it. It was super dope. Super pretty. So yeah, it's a super dope little spot here, man. Oh. I don't know how deep that is, but I'm gonna assume it's probably like 6 foot right there at least. Looking at it, you can see rocks on the sides, but you can't see any right there. Super dope, dude. This is awesome. Love this little spot. Oh, ow. But yeah, man, freaking super dope. I can't wait to get a bigger bike so I can come out this way more often. It's such a torture on the Grom to get all the way out here. But super pretty, man. Oh, keep going. Oh, dude, it's just so pretty. Oh, all right, get back up to the bike. Down here long enough. One last look right here. Super pretty. Half expect the Grom to be gone. Nope. Anyways, that was this dope little water spot right here. I'm gonna keep going. You guys don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Look at it, so pretty. So pretty, dude. I'll get back to the bike. Fucking sombrero, dude.